Don't give me your voice of God speech. Papa, there was a time when you could have saved me by letting me marry a boy who was still young and clean. But instead you drove him away, drove him out of St. Cloud. And then when he came back, you took me out of St. Cloud and tried to force me to marry some 50-year-old moneybags that you wanted something out of. And another, all that you wanted something out of. I'd gone, so Chance went away. Tried to compete, tried to make himself big as these big shots you wanted to make use of me to make a bond with. He went, he tried. The right doors wouldn't open, and so he tried the wrong ones. And Papa, you married for love. And you wouldn't let me do it while I was still alive inside and the boy still clean, still decent. You married for love, and you wouldn't let me do it, and even though you did do it, you broke Mama's heart, and Miss Lucy had been your mistress, and oh God, Miss Lucy had been your mistress long before Mama had died, and Mama was just a front for you. Can I go in now, Papa? Can I go in now? Papa, I'm sorry if my operation brought embarrassment on you, but can you imagine it? I was worse than embarrassed when I found out that Dr. George Scudder's wife cut the youth out of my body, making me an old, childless woman. Dry, cold, empty. Like an old woman. I feel I ought to rattle like a dead, dried up vine when the gulf wind blows and... Papa, I won't embarrass you no more. I've made my mind up about something. If they'll let me, accept me, I'm going into a convent.